Lastly, I'll talk about this, and this is a big deal because when you think about what's going on in politics right now, geopolitically speaking, there is a lot going on, but I don't think there's enough people tying what's going on with rare earth minerals to what's going on geopolitically, because there is a huge connection there right now. And if you just look at this chart, China holds 59% of the mining in the world. That's huge. Well, what's even worse is this one here. 92% of the refining of the rare earth minerals. This, to a lot of countries, is very scary because these rare earth minerals, if you don't have them, you are not going to succeed technology-wise in the future. This is one of the reasons you're seeing a lot of turmoil right now going on in the world. If someone can't barter a deal, who knows what's going to happen at that point? And there is a lot going on in Africa right now over this. There's many big countries that are going in and trying to work out a deal with those smaller countries to be able to prop up their economy and get those rare earths at the same time. So you're going to see a lot of jostling going on, a lot more than we've been seeing over the last 3 or 4 years. But this is going to be a topic it already is, but it's going to get bigger down the road. So when you're thinking of things geopolitically, you might want to put that hat on when you're looking at things, because it gives you a little different slant on what's happening out there.